And how about terms of the purchase contract? What are some things you recommend? Especially as an agent too, what are some things I can be putting in there to protect my client? Any suggestions around that, just to ensure smooth sale, or sorry, smooth purchase and fluidity from start to finish.
Sure. Generally, when I'm looking at real estate contracts, I like it when it's kept simple. I
Mm,
mean, the more we put in, sometimes the more room for interpretation there is, which
right.
lawyers love to interpret things differently. So, um, when we're looking at real estate contract, um, as a purchaser, I do love the 24-hour walkthrough.
Yeah.
It gives you an opportunity to check through the house and tell your lawyer if there's anything wrong with the property prior to us paying for it. As a seller's lawyer, I don't enjoy that term as much because sometimes it causes last minute problems that are brought up. And certainly the 24-hour walkthrough is not an opportunity to bring up um, things that existed at the time of the home inspection and still exist later. It's an opportunity to talk about things that have arisen since that date. Okay, for instance, they said they'd leave the microwave, they took the microwave.
Right.
And I do appreciate sellers go through a variety of contracts with different buyers, so sometimes they might not remember what they were supposed to leave or what the conditions are. Oftentimes, I've been seeing things like professional cleaning clauses. Those can be good, but again, it's so subject to each party's interpretation. My view of what a professional cleaning is might be very different than somebody else's view of a professional cleaning. So sometimes I feel that that can lead to people being let down on their expectations of what the standard of the cleanliness of the house would be. And on sellers and buyers' ends, of course, the cost can vary greatly about what
Hmm.
they expect to pay or what they expect to have been paid for that professional cleaning. If the house isn't very clean and you want to hire a professional cleaner as a buyer, what you might be interested in doing is just knocking off $500 from what you would propose to pay for the house and ensure that you have that in your budget for professional cleaning. Close a day earlier than you want possession and get those cleaners in. Then you're 100% in control of who you hire, how good they do cleaning, and what the cost is. And it just keeps it simple from a legal end.
Yeah, you're so right. Standards are so, subject to change and differentiation. I was speaking with this associate last week, and they had a 5-hour professional cleaning term in the contract with receipts provided to the buyer's agent prior to whatever possession. Anyways, he got a receipt for $140 for a 5-hour cleaning, and then went through the house, and they're like, "Did anyone even clean this?" So, yeah, that's a super tricky term there.